You cannot shake hands with a clenched fist. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. The most difficult thing is the decision to act. The rest is merely tenacity. The fears are paper tigers. You can do anything you decide to do. You can act to change and control your life, and the process is its own reward. Do not mind anything that anyone tells you about anyone else. Judge everyone and everything for yourself. Learning never exhausts the mind. Asterisk, Lord, make me an instrument of thy peace. Asterisk. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Good judgment comes from experience, and a lot of that comes from bad judgment. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. It is far better to be alone than in bad company. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Permanence, perseverance, and persistence, in spite of all obstacles, discouragements, and impossibilities, distinguish the strong soul from the weak. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Ever tried? Ever failed? No matter. Try again. Fail again. Fail better. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. The pessimist complains about the wind. The optimist expects it to change. The realist adjusts the sails. Being entirely honest with oneself is a good exercise. Life's most persistent question is, asterisk, what are you doing for others? Asterisk. What we achieve inwardly will change outer reality. Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. When one door of happiness closes, another opens, but we often look so long at the closed door that we miss the new one. Honesty is the first chapter in the Book of Wisdom. How wonderful that nobody need wait a single moment to improve the world. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. Always remember, you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. The only thing necessary for evil to triumph is for good men to do nothing.